Hello, in front of me I've got Pulsar X3. In this video I'll show you how to change DPI of the mouse. To change DPI of the mouse, take a look at the bottom of it. Make sure that the mouse is connected with your PC. Now press DPI button. On the side you can find indicator. You can cycle between 6 modes. Light blue, 400 DPI. Blue, 800 DPI, which is default. Light green, 1600 DPI. Yellow, 3200 DPI. Orange, 6400 DPI. And pink, 12,800 DPI. DPI stages can be adjusted in the mouse software. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.